he left me. So I guess this is what I'm packing up for now. What do you think, girls? Huh? What do you think about this, huh? You're not home anymore. Oh my gosh. Cookie! Hi, Cookie! These cats just don't know what to do, where to go, where should we run? Kiki? Is that where you've decided to go? Cookie is just not happy. What? It's okay. It's okay. You're at Granny's house. Kiki's loving it. Come on, Kiki. Huh? Kiki. So, I know I'm looking super ratchet. Oh my gosh, I look terrible. And you might be thinking to yourself, no wonder he left her. She's ratchet. Y'all gotta give Alan a little bit more credit than that. Y'all know my baby didn't leave me. He just had to leave and go out of town, go on a work trip. So yeah, okay, I was joking, okay? Yeah, it was a joke. Alan is out of town working and I get to stay at my mom's. Yeah, so I'm gonna be spending time with my mom here. Staying at my mom's house, got my girls here. We're just gonna be chilling, having a good time, watching movies and stuff, but really excited about it. And yeah, so Alan didn't really leave me because I'm ratchet. He just left me because he had to go, girl. But anyways, yeah, sorry about that. I tricked you. But leave me some comments down below. I wanna know, did you really think that Alan left me? Or did you know better? Me and Alan both are gonna wanna hear your answers. So I just had my mom slice up some tomatoes, we got some turkey, we got some Swiss, we got some mayonnaise, avocado, lettuce. I'm going to fry up some eggs and get this bread toasted, and I'm gonna make me and my mama a sandwich, honey. Sandwich is done. We've got toasted bread, lettuce, tomatoes, Swiss, turkey, avocado, and a fried egg. Ooh, it looks good. All right, so we're having our sandwiches with a little bag of Cheetos. Yes, girl. Watching a little TV, just chilling. So now I'm gonna be a good daughter and clean my mess up. Not that I would have ever done that before. I also want to show y'all my mom's dishwashing soap. Dia de los Muertos. Limited edition.
I'm gonna whistle all the while, if that's what it takes to make me smile. I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill, summer sky or winter chill. If I gotta take a break, I will, but I'm gonna run right up this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna learn to ballet dance, learn a little something about romance. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna live a crazy dream, impossible as it may seem. Doesn't matter what the future brings, I'm gonna live a crazy dream. And I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans.
girls, see what they're up to. There they are. What you doing, huh? What was you doing? Oh, there she goes back under the bed. All right, wow. So, yeah, I'm at my mom's house, but this is not the house that I grew up in, y'all. This is actually my parents' new house, and I've never lived here before. I've only stayed here during Christmas visiting and stuff, but yeah. Uh-oh, she's discovering the other bathroom. Kiki, where'd you go? These cats are gonna be crazy in here. So now we're heading to the Walmart, me and my mom. I actually sold my Keurig online, so we're gonna go meet up with the person wanting to buy the Keurig because we've decided we like the regular coffee pot better, so we don't have a need to keep the Keurig. So that's what my mom's taking me to do. Now we're going shopping at the Five Below. We're gonna go see what we can get there. Key to what? Well, I don't know what you did with the key to the car. We just met up with the lady who bought my Keurig. That was good. Bye-bye Keurig. We be using that clearance Mr. Coffee Pot now. 5 and below. Look how cute that is. So these are the things we got for the girls. We got this little dream catcher. It's really cute. It's got like gray and white pom-poms. They're gonna like play with that. Uh-oh, here she comes. Kiki, wait, don't run yet. We got them a pumpkin house. Kiki, look what we got you. Kiki, look at your pumpkin house, look. Kiki. Kiki, get your pumpkin house. That's your pumpkin house. Yeah, so we got them a little pumpkin house. We also got them a scratcher and a toy. Come here, Kiki. We got all of this at Five Below, by the way. Get in there, Kiki. Kiki! You like it? Yeah. You like your house? Okay. Hey, Kiki, no, don't run. I want you to see the scratcher. Ooh, scratcher. Mom, look. Mom. Oh, I missed it. She's scratching. Good girl. Hey, look at this. Look at this we got you. Look. so then the other toy we got them is called a cat tumbler toy. And it looks like this. It's like a tumbler. Oh, like that. You're not in it. And then, oh, has the little hanging mouse you put here at the top. Yeah. Ooh, it looks like that. Kiki, Kiki, Kiki! And we got tons of candy corn. Regular candy corn and the pumpkin. I love candy corn. Kiki! Oh, this was $5 at Five Below. This was $5 at Five Below. This was $5, really cute. And this was $5. So me and my mom are watching Stranger Things 3, and Cookie is loving her new toy. This is like the cutest toy ever, and you should all go buy it if you have cats. Her nanny her nanny bought it for her. Cookie loves it so much, and like you could turn it in different ways. Or you can do this. And this, $5, you can't beat it. They love it. And their pumpkin house. Uh-oh. Kiki had to come out because she's getting jealous. Jealous.